Hi everyone, welcome to my Svelia Beauty channel. How are you? I hope you're okay. And now this is the Annabelle Marcelle warehouse sale haul, and this time I mean it's crazy because I will just put it out there. I got all these brushes and I don't know, people were saying I didn't get that much. At first they were $5 for $1, and I was hearing people on the line when we were waiting on our way out to pay to the cashier, to the register. People were bragging about them, so we were asking like, are they really good? And they were saying, oh yeah, they're really good. So I went back and grabbed more. I pretty much grabbed what I can. So I mean it was 20 cents each, and as you can see I have plenty of them, and I will for sure throw some of this in giveaways. I will not use all of them. So it's all from the Annabelle brand. I'm guessing they were maybe sold close to $10. I don't know, but I will see. And yeah, I will not go one by one. So I got all of this for 20 cents each, and I will maybe keep this one here. This is the powder brush. I will try it. Yeah, face powder brush. I have two of this. I have the number 12. No, this is the blush brush, and this is the powder brush. So I will keep this. And since I've been filming for a long time and I have all these lights, I'm gonna use live one of the Marcelle face powder that I liked, that I rave about. I mean, I'm bragging about this powder to all my friends, people I know, and every time I go to their sale, I grab me some so that I can give them to my friends. So this is my gift. So I got the brush, and I have the dual sharpener. Again, this was so cheap, the dual sharpener, this one here. And this is the product that I rave about. This is their face powder. This is the translucent one, and in their warehouse sale this goes for $2.50. This one here, you have to grab this, you have to buy this product here, you have to buy it. And like I said, in their warehouse sale they sell for $2.50. Oh, I forgot to tell you, all the makeup that you will see in this haul, it's all $2.50. No matter if they sell for $20 in the stores, they retail at $20 or $10 or I don't know, $30, it's $2.50. All the makeup, it's $2.50. So I grabbed this one, and I have this one here. It's the translucent medium, and you have the translucent one. And I grabbed this one because they had a lip gloss free. I mean, I grabbed some lip gloss, $2.50, and I got this for $2.50, and I have some free lip gloss. I mean, come on, it was really good bargain. So I will use the translucent one live. I will open it, and because I really love them. Let's open this brush here. The one that I was using, that I left in Turkey, it was the translucent medium one, but now I will try the translucent one. So the brush, tap the access, and let's, I mean, I love. I will try to maybe be a little bit, I'm sorry if I look this because I want to see what I'm doing. And I don't know, where do I have shine? It's not just shine because I'm greasy, it's because of the Clinique skincare products, like the cleaning products that I'm using. It's kind of helping my skin. It's the natural glow, but without all the oiliness. I think I'm even getting control of my oils. And even at Yves Rocher on my birthday, I went and they did my skin test or something with their machine, and I had really good feedback from the lady. Just my pores, they are pretty much out there, but my skin tightness and my keratin or whatever, it was all good. So this is it. I mean, do you still see the shine? I think not the greasy shine, it's all gone, so it's just the natural glow. And like I said, this powder here, I love it. Love it. I mean, I'm not even wearing makeup, and I mean, let's just put. The brush is soft. I mean, it's not soft, but it's soft. It does the job. It's not scraping. It's soft. And I don't know, maybe comment under the video to see if you saw a difference, because I rave about this product. It's not expensive. I mean, I want to get the Laura Mercier powder, but I mean, I'm so in love with this one. I don't know if the $47 powder will make better job than this one, because if you go to the drugstore or to any stores that sell this, it goes for $15 and I get them for $2.50. But the first one that I bought, that I tried, I paid the full price at Pharmaprix, at Shoppers Drug Mart. But after, when I loved it and I saw it in warehouse sale, I was like, I'm gonna get me some and spread the love. And even this one here, this bronzing powder, the Sun Wave Bronzing Press Powder, it's a must. It's a must. Okay, I will open it but not swatch it, because mine, it's somewhere, I think I left it also in Turkey. So I might maybe keep this one for me, and in the next sale grab one for you guys. But it has a huge mirror. I mean, huge. I mean, look at this. Gorgeous. It's so many goodness. I mean, I use this product. I love it. I love it. Again, $2.50. And maybe it was sold for almost $20. Even those here, they go for, I think, $20, if I'm not mistaken. This is another bronzing powder, this one here, and this is the color Sun Kissed. So this one here, and I love their blushes. Marcelle blushes. I'm sorry, I really love them. I don't know if I have few here, but if not, I think I have downstairs in some of my pals for giveaways. I have few of them. So this is the Quater Ombre à Paupières Monochromatique, the monochromatic eyeshadow quad. Sorry, I read the French first. So this one here, it's the color Nearly Nude. I'm sorry about the glare, so this is the best that I can do for now. And this is the Annabelle Perfect Bronze. I want to try it. It's the Sun Kissed. And the Annabelle, I have their biggie bronzer, the zebra one. I have the matte and the shimmer one, and another sharpener. And now I'm going to show you the eye palettes that I got. And then it will be all mascara, liners, lipstick, lip gloss. So I have the smoky nude and the natural nude. So the smoky nude came with some eyeliners, with silver eyeliners. As you can see, I have not only one but two more, so you will see them in giveaways. And I have the natural nude from Annabelle, this one here. Now, oh my god, I have all these lipstick, lip gloss. Oh my god. Okay, let's go ahead with the mascara. I grabbed this because I loved it. So this is, I think I grabbed this to make giveaways because I paid $2.50, and the ones that I got I paid full price, but I did have 2 for 1, so I didn't mind it. So these are Marcelle Extension Plus Mascara, Lightening and Curling. This is, sorry, it's 2-in-1 mascara, so this one here. And I try to get all, so let me go ahead and show you the lipstick because I have lots of lipsticks and I will not name you all of them. I will just show you the bottom colors so that you can see the colors that I got. So this is all the lipstick that I got from them. So I have the Rouge Vitality and the Rouge Expression. So the two collections that they have. So these are the colors that I got. All $2.50 each. And they look, I swatch all of them and I love the colors, so I grabbed them. And as far as their looks gloss, I tried a few of them and I loved it, so this is why I grabbed a few of them. These are the colors again. These one here. These are the colors. And after that, from the Annabelle lip gloss, these one, I didn't have this one here, and if you go and watch my previous haul from last fall video, you will see all the Annabelle gloss that I got at the sale. And these are the lacquer ones, and I'm already using one. It's on my bag, and this is the two other ones that I got. This one here, and this is another mascara that I got. It's the Lightening Volume and Definition. It's the Volume Extension Magnétique. This one here. I'm sorry if it's not focusing because it's all silvery. It reflects the lights. And the eyeliners. The liquid eyeliners that I have are this one here. I so love them, so I grab more so that I can make giveaways with them. So I have the ultra thin one, the liquid eyeliner pen, and the ultra precise one. Again, it's liquid eyeliner. This one, this is Marcelle, and this one, it's Annabelle. Annabelle Marcelle. And then I have, these are all, let me see, lip liner, this is for eyes, lip liner, eyeliner, eyes, and this is eye also, yes, eyes, and eyes, and eyes. So these are the Marcelle lip liners. I really loving her lip liners, and this is like 2-in-1. So it says 2-in-1 retractable plumping lip liner. So you have the high precision plus brush, and I have the cinnamon color, I have the natural, I have the cool berry, and the perfect nude. So these are the 4 colors that I got. It's like double-ended. And then for the eyes, I got this one here, and this one came with the tweezer for the eyebrows. Why not? $2.50 each, all of that. So these were my haul. Sorry, I was looking to the other camera. So this was my haul for my Annabelle and Marcelle warehouse sale, and with each $75 and plus purchase you receive gifts. And let me just open the bag because I cannot open the bag, but I have the Marcelle cream to powder, BB powder, and then the BB cream medium to dark. This is already too dark for me because I use the light to medium, so this will go to a giveaway, and I really like their BB cream, but it depends on person. Some people have breakage like acne, breakouts, but I don't. And this one includes also the BB cream anti-aging, a light to medium. This one I will be able to use. I have an eyeliner and the BB cream cleanser for all skin types. So this was my gift bag. So this was it for the Annabelle and Marcelle, and like I'm saying, I love this face powder. I'm looking at the camera, but I really love this face powder. If you can put your hands on it, you can go and order it on their website. They ship to USA and Canada. So, but if you want, I can buy them for you in the warehouse sale, and I do go to USA. I will have also a USA shop from the Dollar Tree, Walmart. I did find some brushes and things in USA, so I do come to USA, so maybe we can I can not plug you, hook you up with some Marcelle and Annabelle product, but I mean, I have to trust you or I will not. But like I said, I'm a nice person, so maybe if you want to try them, and we can, because I know that I'm hooking up my friend in USA and she's having her some of their product and she is loving them. So I mean, I don't brag because it's a Quebecer company, but when I love them, I will brag them. I mean, okay, it's not the name, it's not like, oh, Lancome or Dior or Urban Decay, but it's a brand that is here, from here, and I love them, and I love their products. It's affordable, and with their warehouse sale like this, I mean, you can have pretty good makeup collection just by going to their warehouse sale and try their product, and it's worth it. I mean, I even shop for my cousin, my niece, my cousin daughters, my little cousins, let's say my little cousins, and I saved them $300, and it cost them like $75. So I mean, it's worth to go in their warehouse sale. So if I can hook some of you, I will do it. I don't mind it, but I will see. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. All this makeup hauls back to back, and my necklace, my pendant, my charm here keeps moving. I look all crazy by the end of the video, but thanks again. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.